Hi friends, today we're working on lesson 6, which is one of our problem solving kind of lessons. And today's strategy is to make a table. Okay, so open up to page 561 to follow along with what we're doing. Okay, so when you're making a table, you often have these two columns, which will have kind of what you're counting and the number of something else. And this is actually an introduction to what you'll be doing in 3rd grade with multiplication. So this is kind of the beginnings of that understanding. It's like a repeated addition sort of strategy. I'm sorry, there's something in my eye. Okay, so this says that the breakfast special at Darla's Diner comes with 3 pancakes. 5 friends order the breakfast special. How many pancakes did they get in all? So we're going to figure out how many pancakes 5 people got. So remember, with any of our problem solving strategies, the first step is always the same, that you're going to underline what you know and circle what you're trying to find. So we know the breakfast special at Darla's comes with 3 pancakes. We know that each special is 3 pancakes. We know that 5 friends, just underline that, not circle. 5 friends ordered the breakfast special. We want to know how many pancakes we get in all. So that in all is a clue to us that we are going to add them all together. We're combining everything together. It's not subtracting, we are adding. Okay, so the plan is how we're going to solve the problem. We're going to solve the problem by making a table with the friends on one side and the pancakes on the other. So we're going to make that table now. And what you're going to do is you're going to go up by 3s every time. Watch what I mean by that. If I have one friend and one special, they got a little bit bigger, 3 pancakes. Okay? Now, if 2 friends, how many pancakes there are? I don't want you to put, oh, they also got 3 pancakes. No, I want you to add it. We already have 3. Add it to the 3 you already have, so it's actually going to be 6 pancakes. So if there's 2 people that ordered it, there'll be 6 pancakes. 3 people order it, there will be 9 pancakes. Adding 3 again. If 4 people order it, there will be 12 pancakes. Again, I'm just adding 3 each time. If there are 5 friends getting it, there will be 15 pancakes. Again, just adding 3. Now the question wanted to know how many were 5, so this is my answer. And I apologize, it looks like a 16, but it is 15. If there are 3 friends, or 5 friends that each get 3 pancakes, they're going to have 15 together, and that is the answer reasonable? Yeah, because we've shown it in the table, and that's not a crazy amount. It's not too small, it's not too big. Okay, so let's try to do another one. Let's try to practice the strategy. Each person in the class has the same number of pets. 2 people have 4 pets. How many people do 7 people, or how many pets do 7 people have? Okay, this is an interesting one. So again, remember that first step is to underline what we know and circle what we're trying to find. So we know that each person in the class has the same number of pets. They have the same number of pets. 2 people have 4 pets. How many pets do 7 people have? What we're trying to figure out. So what's tricky about this is they said every person in the class has the same numbers. We know that it's going to add up by the same. And what's tricky is right here it says that 2 people have 4 pets. That means, and as you can already see in our table, so our plan is to make a table. What that means is you can see one person has 2, 2 people have 4. So what are we counting by? How many do everyone have? 2, right? So this is pretty easy. You guys can skip count by 2s pretty well. So 2, one person has 2 pets. 2 people have 4 pets. 3 people have 6 pets. Again, I'm just adding right along. 4 people have 8 pets. I'm just adding 2 each time. 5 people have 10 pets. 6 people have 12 pets. Again, I am just adding 2 each time. 7 people have 14 pets. And they want to know how many pets 7 people have. So this is our answer. So our answer is 14 pets. Okay, so you see how you just added up? Every time you had a person, you added 2 because each person had 2 by itself. So let's apply this strategy together. It says as Desiree has 4 pairs of socks in her drawer. How many socks are there in all? So 4 pairs. So one pair has 2 socks, which we know, right? You have 2 feet. So that means that 2 pairs have 4 socks. We're just adding that 2, which means 3 pairs have 6 socks. Okay, just add those 2. 4 pairs have 8 pairs of socks, or 8 socks. 4 pairs have 8 socks in all. So what is our answer? Because we knew that she had 4 pairs of socks in the drawer, and we're trying to figure out how many socks there are in all. So there are 8 socks in all in 4 pairs. Okay? So let's do a brain builder. Mr. Minnick needs to deliver 60 boxes. His car can hold 10 boxes at a time. How many trips does he need to make to deliver all 60 boxes? Okay, this is interesting. So we know that he needs to deliver 60 boxes. We know his car can hold 10 boxes at a time. We want to know how many it's going to take all together. So I'm going to make my table right over here. Okay? And I'm going to say this is number of trips. Okay, and then this is boxes. So we know that so his car holds 10 boxes. So one trip he's going to be able to take 10 boxes. So one trip, 10 boxes. We know we have to get to 60. So let's see how many it takes until I get to the 60 over here. So 2 trips is going to be 20 boxes because I'm counting by 10s because each trip is 10. 3 trips is 30 boxes. 4 trips is 40 boxes. 5 trips is 50 boxes. 6 trips is 60 boxes. Do I need to go any farther? No, because I have found my answer. So, how many trips is he going to need to take? 6. So he's going to have to take 6 trips. Right? And I would explain by saying each trip is 10, so it takes 6 trips to get to that 60. Okay? Let's look at number 3. Juice boxes come in packs of 4 at Pat's grocery. Mrs. Perez needs 22 juice boxes in all. How many packs should she buy? Very interesting question. So I'm actually going to put this chart up here. I should have put this one a little higher. I just don't have a lot of scratch paper on this. But so we want to know that we know that they come in packs of 4, and we know that she needs 22 boxes. So we're trying to figure out how many packs she should buy to have at least 22. So let's make our chart. All right. So we know that she needs 24. So we'll put packs on one side and juices on the other. So, well, I guess just juice. Messy there. So we know that 1 pack has 4 juices. Okay, so we're going to be counting by 4s. 2 packs will be 8 juices. 3 packs will be 12 juices. 4 packs will be 16 juices. 5 packs will be 20 juices. 6 packs will be 24 juices. Do I need to go any further? No, because we have reached more than what we need, right? We only need 22. She can't buy a pack of just 2, so she'll have to buy that 6. So she's going to have to buy 6 packs. Okay, so you see how we did that with our table? It's all skip counting, friends. Don't let it throw you off. So what I want you to do is on page 564, review these strategies. You'll probably want a separate piece of scratch paper to make your tables because they don't give you a lot of room. So I would recommend you have another piece of paper. Then your homework, you don't have to do this first page because there's nothing on there for you to do. Just the example, and you'll do your problem solving on this. Now, when you do page 566, I want to see your work. So if you're doing it in your book and just squeezing in these spaces, okay. If you're doing it on a separate paper, please take a picture of that as well, because that lets me see the tables that you built in order to get these answers. Okay? All right, friends, as always, do your best, work hard, and have a great rest of your day.